How to make faceless TikTok videos. So here I will be showing you how to make a faceless TikTok videos, and all you have to do is to follow this instruction right here. You will need these tools in order for you to create that. ChatGPT. Also we have here Canva, 11 Labs, and CapCut. So first things first, you can go to ChatGPT and then ask for viral videos or TikTok videos idea or faceless videos idea. Then ChatGPT will show you this result. Now I can see some faceless videos and it is related to quiz challenges. And I think these videos are also viral in TikTok. So I'm going to show you how to create something like this. You will need a Canva account. I strongly suggest to upgrade your Canva into premium. But if you're using the basic version, it's okay. Go to the search icon, look for TikTok. It should be this ratio right here, 9:16. Wait for a couple of seconds. And here is your TikTok template, or here is the blank page. Now, the next thing to do here is you can now start editing this template right here. So if you want a design something like quizzes, something like I've showed you before, then what you're going to do is you have to go to elements and then look for spiral background, moving background, and then drag that background design here. Now before that, you can go to ChatGPT first also to ask for 10 questions or 5 questions related to whatever niche or whatever topic you want. So for example, history. These are the questions that we're going to paste on our Canva. So once you have your questions right here for your quiz challenge, you can now go back to your Canva, go to elements, and look for the specific design that you want. This one is a moving background or spiral. Then all you have to do now is to start adding copy paste the questions from ChatGPT. You just have to click text and then copy paste the question, duplicate. Now you can also go to elements and start searching for choices like A, B, C, and then add it right here. For the choices, you can just go to text or add some text box here so that you can also paste the choices. So for example, this is what it looks like. I'm going to add ABC here on our Canva, and it should be something like this. Now for the answer, you can duplicate this one and then just remove the incorrect choices right here. So you can change this to answer and then remove the incorrect choices and just remain the answer. And basically that's it. Now if you want to add more, you just have to follow what I have showed you earlier. And in order for you to share this to your TikTok, you have to tap on share and make sure that this is in MP4 format. So basically, this is how easy it is to make faceless TikTok videos. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.